Manipur joins in celebrating 72nd India's Independence Day. Chief Minister Biren calls for leaving aside communal differences and to unitedly protect Manipur. 24-hour general strike called by proscribed outfits in connection with 72nd Independence Day affects normal life in Manipur. And Chief Minister Biren pilot launches Ayushman Bharat National Health Protection Mission to provide health cover up to 5 lakh rupees per family per year. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Laishram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur joined the rest of the country in celebrating the 72nd Independence Day today. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren hoisted the national flag at the first Manipur Rifles parade ground. In his speech, Nongthombam Biren called for leaving aside any communal differences and to unitedly protect Manipur. He also said the Manipur University impasse is resolved by almost 99%. He reiterated that the new BJP-led state government stands firm to protect the territorial integrity of Manipur. Altogether, 58 contingents comprising of police contingent, paramilitary forces, school college students contingent, 8-band contingent, various civil society organizations and MPSC's polo contingent took part in the march past. The parade commander was Commandant of 5th IRB as Jogeshwar. Additional DGP Manipur Anand Prakash, Inspector Syamcharan Singh Assam and RK Tejbir were conferred President Police Medal for Distinguished Service. 13 other personnel including police officers were also awarded Police Medal for the meritorious service on the occasion. Chief Minister's Trophy for Community Service Award was accorded to SP Technopal Dr. S. Ibomcha and Inspector NAP B. Rishikesh. Chief Minister's Trophy for Anti-Drug Campaign Award was accorded to SP NAP W. Basu, Constable NAP Gaungmai Gaijon and NAP Attached Sub-Inspector of Sonapati District Philem Bankim. First, second and third positions for the second state level Swachhta Award 2018 for Cleanliest District Headquarters were conferred to officials concerned of Kakching, Imphal West and Thoubal District Headquarters respectively. While award for Northeast Region Swachh Sarvekshan 2018 Cleanliest Town was given to relevant officials of Kakching, second position to Kumbi and third position to Mayang Imphal. The special award for achieving ODF was accorded to Manipur Urban Development Agency. Laishram Ranjit Kumar from Karimganj district of Assam, who cycled across India spreading the message of communal harmony and national integration, was felicitated by Chief Minister on the occasion, and District Manager DEGS Bishnupur Prasanta Oinam was conferred award for excellence at the event.
Contingent Hojik Salami Piram Laga Senating CRPF female contingent ASIW CRPF male contingent ASIRB refresher training course Jimadar U Siam Singh Commando Salami Pikre Armed Force Madhya Pradesh Sub Inspector Bipin Kumar Pandey Amuk Chansi Pirakibasi Civil Police Imphal West Female Jimadar Pit Sujit Singh Commandauri Atunda Chansi Pirakibasi MPGC Pangai 2 Kodun Maringna Contingent M. Johnson Singh Sergeant Major Like Hamas Subedana Contingent Civil Commando AP Manipur for President's Police Medal for Distinguished.
drugs nisada la ko ko bada Manipur ki leiba mission praja ekoi punna hona bi do sange haukiba tha taraga maha daruk sideda state sidai koi anti drug campaign yam ka hai na kuma sok na be do paket na me I sorry ministry dagi joint secretary ma thar krama su ko leidi narang nuthil ki pungani dagi na dang ki pung tara makhai ko continuously ekoi meeting the way almost 99 ekoi yana bagi understanding nama korpagi biyond laile ekoi ki masel ki marta amana ama nungai naroi daba sentiments so kadaba defamatory hoiba kari gumba singdi masi ari kai tobi gno na appeal tok jabani amna kanduri se koi punna unitely kan gada bani nga kada bani amna bujik lai diba Manipur ki amat loiba satam singdam punna tominari ba hingminari ba nungai minari ba wari sanari ba chatok chasin taunari ba development share taunari ba smile ekoi punna amat toile leminarga Manipur ngamina se.
The 72nd Independence Day was also celebrated at Raj Bhavan today. Governor of Manipur Dr. Najma Heptullah hoisted the tricolored flag of India and gave salute to mark the day when British left India. Raj Bhavan's employees and CRPF personnel posted at the Bhavan had a photo session with the governor and captured the day. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee also celebrated the 72nd Independence Day at Congress Bhavan BT Road today. Former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi, Congress MLAs, executive members and MPCC workers paid homage to the freedom fighters. Speaking on the occasion, Ibobi appealed for cooperation from all in safeguarding democratic rights of every citizen. Maintaining that special assembly sessions were held in times of emergencies during the Congress rule, he accused the BJP-led state government for making a mockery out of the system by suspending the special assembly session at its whims without proper notification. The former Chief Minister also recalled that his proposal for extension of the recent monsoon assembly session was rejected. He expressed disappointment that many issues of the state could have been discussed if the monsoon session was extended as he proposed. Ibobi asserted it would be prudent if the state government takes total responsibility for all the prevailing issues in the state, as BJP is ruling both at the centre and the state. He also added the Congress party is not pressurizing the state government to solve everything by itself, but all that it is suggesting is to take a joint decision and resolve the countless issues prevailing in the state.
Sarkar sina ngahak leraga amamu haiba ngahak leraga amamu haiba nahan tang tarada akhoi haugiba session numit nini khak phamba haiba tare adudasu matam Manipur da leriba issues mayam sing border pillar ki hairo aduga akhoi ki Manipur University gi vice chancellor gi wathok hairo framework agreement gi hairo akhoi session si numit nini khaktang sangthasi maduda akhoi mayam phajana khanaraga akhoi Bharat Sarkar da khanghanji na akhoi opposition side gi kyara khan haijebani adu government na daka leite haibi haiduna akhoi noma phawba sangthaba pungama phawba sangthadana assembly resolution gre adu officially notification thokpadi nati khabar da kagaz da tang tara da session special session kauri amu hai cabinet decision lawribra lawdabra notification thokra thoktabra adudagi amuk speaker si out of the country foreign da leirame aduna tang tra trukta amuk phamani na khabar da hai aduna Manipur gi praja singda praja gi miyuna sason tawbani aduna masi phagi tahalle speaker ga aduga government siga assembly ga su phajana I pau phauna dabra masidi yamna anungai taba haiba tare leiriba Manipur gi issues burning issues mayama leiriba mayam si phajana khanaraga akhoi Bharat Sarkar da matam sana khanghan no darka oi haibasi akhoi gi party di adumaina
District Administration Bishnupur also celebrated the 72nd Independence Day at all mini secretariat complex ground. DC Bishnupur, DC Pavan Yadav and SP Hobson Sapam took the salute of the march past by 16 contingents commanded by SDPO Bishnupur Thingbaijam Lakshmi. Bishnupur District Administration distributed certificates to efficient employees of various departments. Speaking on the occasion, DC Pavan Yadav called for sincere deliverance of duties for a better society and cordial relations between civilians and the police. Civil and police officers and people of the district participated in the event. The 72nd Independence Day was celebrated at Gamnong Saparmaina Subdivisional Headquarters. Saitu Gamfazol Subdivisional Officer MCS Dr. N. Johnson hoisted the tri-colored national flag to mark the day. Thoubal District Administration also observed the 72nd Independence Day at Mini Secretariat Complex of Thoubal District Headquarters today. DC Thoubal Haubam Rosita hoisted the tricolored flag and took salute of the march past by 22 contingents commanded by SDPO Thoubal District Police MPS Lalringum Pumlamte. District Administration Churachandpur also celebrated the 72nd Independence Day on Tubong Peace Ground in Churachandpur district today. Agriculture Minister Vihan Khanlian hoisted the tricolored flag and took salute of the march past by 72 contingents. The 72nd Independence Day was also celebrated at Sanapati District Public Ground today. Deputy Commissioner Sanapati Somorjit Salam hoisted the tricolour flag and took salute of the march past by 41 contingents. Different cultural dance and shows were showcased in the celebration. DC Somorjit Salam in his speech highlighted the various achievements of the district, including being the first open defecation-free district of the state. He appealed to the young scholars, villagers and all the like-minded people of the state to make use of their talents and also the abundant resources that is available in the district. The celebration concluded with presentation of commendation certificates to various distinguished personalities of the district. Chandel District Administration celebrated the Independence Day at Maha Government Higher Secondary Ground today. DC Chandel Krishna Kumar hoisted the tricolour flag and took salute from march past of 31 contingents. Tengnoupal District also celebrated the 72nd Independence Day at Tengnoupal District Headquarters, Additional Deputy Commissioner Moreh Block Office and at 11th Assam Rifles Post today. DC and ADC of Tengnoupal District hoisted the tricolour flag at Tengnoupal District Headquarters and Additional Deputy Commissioner Moreh Block Office. Additional SP Tengnoupal District Colonel of the 12th Assam Rifles and inhabitants of the area attended the event organized by Tengnoupal District Administration. A team of students, police and Assam Rifle personnel parading the march past were the highlights of the event. Excellent employees of different departments of Moreh were also felicitated on the occasion. The 11th Assam Rifle Post also celebrated Independence Day at Indo-Myanmar border town Moreh today. Colonel R.S. Rawat and the officiating commandant of 89 Battalion from Myanmar attended the function. Tamenglong District Administration also celebrated the 72nd Independence Day at the lower ground of Tamenglong District Headquarters today. DC Tamenglong Ravinder Singh hoisted the tricolour flag and took salute from march past of 34 contingents. IPR Director H. Balkrishna hoisted the Indian tricolour flag as part of the 72nd Independence Day celebration at the IPR office in Moirangkhom today. Commandant Junior Grade T. Ngamlian was selected as one of the 5 awardees of the prestigious President's Tatrakshak Medal T.M. Gallantry Award. T. Ngamlian hails from Molkon village of Saikul in Kangpokpi district. It may be recalled that Ngamlian saved 22 crew members of SSL Kolkata, a cargo ship which caught fire in the Bay of Bengal on 14th of June this year. He was also felicitated by ABP News during a Bravery Award ceremony organized under the banner Janda Uncha Rahe Hamara for saving 6 fishermen on June 5. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Imphal, is organizing a job fair in collaboration with the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, on its campus on August 17. Nilit Imphal, in a press release, has invited all the students of the state to attend the fair, which will be participated by 22 companies from Manipur and other states. Imphal city wore a deserted look as various underground outfits called for 24-hour general strike in connection with the 72nd Independence Day. Even though the day was celebrated at the 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground under tight security measures, the general strike affected normal life in the city. The major markets in the city, Pauna Market, Thangal Market, Kwaramban Market and MG Avenue remained closed. Passenger vehicles remained off the road. Police kept a strict vigil to avoid any untoward incidents. An IED bomb was recovered along National Highway number 202 Imphal Ukhrul Road, 500 meters away from Mahadev Camp towards Yangon-Pokpi under Litan Police Station of Ukhrul District. The bomb was discovered by Assam Rifles personnel yesterday. Police has confirmed that the IED weighing around 3 kg is operated by anti-handling cum remote control device. It comprised of a mobile handset, detonator, splinter nail, etc. Midnight, around 1:25 a.m., a bomb disposal team of Manipur police rushed at the spot and successfully disposed of the IED bomb at 1:40 a.m. at an isolated location near Mahadev Camp. A joint team of a company of 8 Assam Rifles at Kolton and New Kaithilmanbi Police Station in Kangpokpi district seized incriminating items, including materials used for making bombs. The seized items are one 7.65 mm pistol, 2 live rounds, 2 detonators, 1 opened BSNL's junction box, a bag containing around 1 kg of nails, a meter-long wire and 1 data cable. According to Impact News sources, the combined team led by Major of 8 Assam Rifles, Mansoor Ahmed, and ASI Dhaneshwar acted on a tip-off regarding arms cache in Godzim village, Kolton, yesterday and conducted search operations in the area. However, no one was arrested during the operation. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's announcement on launching the world's largest government-funded program. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today announced the launch of world's largest government-funded program, the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Abhiyan. It will be launched on the birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya on 25th of next month. Announcing this from the ramparts of historic Red Fort after unfurling the tricolour on the occasion of the 72nd Independence Day today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said it is high time to ensure that the poor gets access to good quality and affordable healthcare. The healthcare initiative will have a positive impact on 50 crore Indians under Ayushman Bharat. The Prime Minister informed that the government has decided to provide 5 lakh rupees healthcare insurance cover for the poor and vulnerable under the program, and in future it can be extended to the lower middle class. Modi said it is essential to ensure that poor people are free from the clutches of poverty due to which they cannot afford healthcare. The Prime Minister said India is proud of its scientists who are excelling in the research and are at the forefront of innovation. All Manipur Working Journalists Union in a press release stated that 6 different resolutions were taken yesterday during the Standing Committee's meeting, presided by its newly appointed President, Brojendro Ningomba. As part of the decisions, the union gave consent to revoke the suspensions imposed on editors whose name was struck out from the membership list. Amju further stated that the union will not take responsibility for any outcomes of any journalist for unprofessional posts on social media and crimes or controversies related to it. Chief Minister Biren Parlor launched Ayushman Bharat National Healthcare Protection Mission at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. The mission will be officially launched across the country on September 25 this year on the birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Secretariat. 4 hospitals of the state, RIMS Hospital, Jenims Hospital, Sky Hospital and Jivan Hospital Kakching signed agreement of empanelment with the state government for the scheme at the ceremony. Speaking at the occasion, the Chief Minister lauded Prime Minister Narendra Modi for conceptualizing such a noble scheme having humane touch. He expressed hope that the expenditure incurred by state government's Chief Minister Gihakselgi Tengbang would come down to a large extent with the introduction of Ayushman Bharat. The ambitious Ayushman Bharat scheme aims to cover over 10 crore vulnerable families of the country and provide health cover up to ₹5 lakh per family per year. The expenditure incurred in premium payment of the scheme will be shared between the central and the state government at the rate of 90% by the centre and the remaining 10% by the state government for Northeast states. Maoist Communist Party Manipur has asserted that the over 2-month-long class boycott of Manipur University will have no positive impact on the career life of students and hence appeal to withdraw the ongoing class boycott in the university. Coordinator of the Standing Committee of the proscribed party, Kunghan Mangang, in a press release stated that it is the students at the losing end as the government of Manipur is unable to resolve the issue while the centre remain biased. The press release also said if interests of Musu replaces the desires of the entire student community in taking a decision, the act will be equivalent to majoritarian politics and termed it authoritarianism and urged for a democratic referendum and further assured to respect the same. The proscribed party stated the response will be awaited from those who have initiated the university movement until August 18, after which necessary actions will be taken to save the career life of the students. Secretary General of DESAM, Sital Oinam, has urged the government to resolve the Manipur University crisis and restore normalcy in the academic atmosphere of the university at the earliest. Speaking to Impact News at Raj Medicity, Sital lauded the ongoing negotiating talks between the government and the university community, stating that the total number of students admitted annually in the university from all the departments is only 3,000, he questioned where other students will study. He lamented that since semester exam results still remains undeclared, students can't even go outside the state for further study. According to his family members, Sital has undergone 3 major operations to repair his fractured left hand and is currently undergoing physiotherapy. It may be recalled that Sital was ran over by an oil tanker during a protest in connection with Manipur University crisis in front of BJP office on July 16.
Hajusik college singda koi semester ki exam mayam ama haidoktana leiriba masisu haiduoga athu matamda mairoi singge puningda koi langtaknaba sarangnaba amaga loinana mai masing tamba phangroidraina khaliba chahi mangane na pakhalibasi lengaksigi mapi mapa wariba Manipur government athu matamda miyeng changaga asigi issue si loisanbiu masi natragadi hena saukthoragadi matam hena kuitharagadi hauji changsang garibu khongjang sidi na sathiba khongjang mayam ama soidana changsalakani haibagi wakhanduma Manipur government khanthabiraga athu matamda issue si loisanbiu haidana ai haijari.
Socialist Students Union of Manipur SSUM in a press release informed that its Vice President Soraijam Yaima will take responsibility as President in charge of SSUM because of the abrupt resignation of its President Nongthombam Sanahal due to some unavoidable personal inconveniences. Manipur People's Party MPP in a press release has condemned the decision of the National Institute of Technology (NIT) to hold interview for the recruitment of 22 NIT faculty comprising of 8 professors and 14 assistant professors at a hotel in West Bengal on August 17 and 18. MPP asserted that it will be apt to conduct the interview at NIT Imphal campus. A Kolkata-based showroom called Green Joyla Motors, selling eco-friendly, battery-operated e-rickshaws and e-vehicles, was opened at Taupokpi, Bishnupur district yesterday. Speaking at the inaugural event, MLA Govindas Konthaujam stated that such battery-operated vehicles will save the environment by controlling air and noise pollution. Takhelambam Joykumar is the proprietor of the showroom, which currently sells Premium X and Premium Virat X brands and plans to keep a lot more varieties in the future. Apunba Manipur Matam Ishai Kanglup in a press release informed that its annual Matam Ishai Numit will be held on September 29 and 30 along with varieties of other musical performances. It also stated that a special journal entitled Ishai 2018 will be released and Lifetime Achievement Award 2018 will be conferred upon eminent personalities who gave immense contribution in the field of music on the occasion. Joint Secretary of Manipur Cricket Association in a press release notified that a coaching cum selection trials for the Manipuri team participating in the Board of Control for Cricket in India's Under-19, Under-23 and Senior Women's Cricket Tournament will be held at Luang Pokpa Cricket Stadium in Luang Sangbam on August 20 at 8 in the morning. Interested individuals are informed to get detailed information from MCS office. All Manipur Football Association in a press release informed that 9th AMFA Senior Women's Football League of BM Singh Trophy will kick off on August 20. Manipur Police Sports Club, Kangchup Road Youth Physical Sports Association, Eastern Sporting Club, Wangkhai and Youth Welfare Langthaba will participate in a tournament as part of the pre-qualifying round of Indian Women's League. In the first match of the tournament, Manipur Police Sports Club will play against Youth Welfare Club Langthabal at Kumalampak Turf on August 20. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur joins in celebrating 72nd India's Independence Day. Chief Minister Biren calls for leaving aside communal differences and to unitedly protect Manipur. 24-hour general strike called by prescribed outfits in connection with 72nd Independence Day affects normal life in Manipur. And Chief Minister Biren pilot launches Ayushman Bharat National Health Protection Mission to provide health cover up to 5 lakh rupees per family per year.